Forget about the crowds, the size of the school, their fancy uniforms. Focus on the fundamentals that we've gone over time and time again. Put your effort and concentration into playing to your potential to be the best that you can be.
And I guarantee a week won't go by in your life you won't regret walking out, letting them get the best of it.
If we played them 10 times, they might win 9. But not this game. We stay with them. And we shut them down because we can.
But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward.
1 inch at a time. In any fight, it's the guy who's willing to die who's gonna win that inch. And I know if I'm gonna have any life anymore, it's because I'm still willing to fight and die for that inch.
From the soles of your feet, with every ounce of blood you've got in your body, lay it on the line until the final whistle blows.
I'm gonna show you how great I am. Only last week, I murdered a rock, injured a stone, hospitalized a brick. I'm so mean, I make medicine shit.
A day may come when the courage of men fails, when we forsake our friends and break all bonds of fellowship. But it is not this day. This day we fight!
This is where we hold them. Give them nothing, but take from them everything.
Bounces it out right corner. Now needs one more block. 5. Stretches to the pylon. Touchdown. Block and goal.
If you're ready, why you stuttering? I ain't Joe. I'ma show 'em why they call us dirty. There is no mercy for player haters, cause he ain't worthy. Heard of me then? Hell no. Before I bet you done heard of me now. Atlanta, Georgia.
Home run ball heaved out for Quick on the right corner. Caught it. Touchdown. Black and goal. What a grab.
That you ready for me, so who's ready now? Who's ready?
Takes off on the QB draw again. He's into Elon territory. 40, trying to get the far corner. Right side does it. 20.
Look, back to pass.
Presley handoff Cedric Baker using the push off the left corner. Gets that corner. 35. 30 into open field. 20. 15. 10. 5. Touchdown. Black and gold. Cedric Baker shakes off poor Elon tackles. Play action fake pass in the back of the end zone, complete for the Mountaineer touchdown.
Handoff in the reverse. Gavin with the run. Gavin still going. Gavin, one more to beat.
for the Gringos. And 12 for the Redskins. Colley trying to turn the corner. Colley is still going. Colley to the outside.